IFC.js has been free until now, and as that wasn't enough in itself, now it's also giving away money to the community. $15,000! $15,000, you heard that right, in exchange to help with simple tasks. First come, first served. I almost can't wrap my head around this. This guy, Antonio, I'm talking about you, man. What are you doing? You really want to get to the moon this project, as people in crypto used to say. So if you want to contribute to this project, you will get paid. Now I will go through the page where we can read more about this and see what is this really about. Hey friends, welcome back to BIMvoice. My name is Petru, and in this video we're going to have a look at how you could contribute to the IFC.js project and also get paid for that. Isn't that crazy? Yes, I told you. We are witnessing a revolution in open source for construction. You better be part of this. Here is the website that I'm talking about, and I will of course leave this link in the description. As you can see right here, it's called bounties.ifcjs.io. And what do we have here? Make money with IFC.js. Do you want to make money and have a real impact on the future of openBIM? If you watch this video, I think you are interested at least, right? If the answer is yes, the maintainer program is for you. IFC.js maintainer program allows the community to make money in exchange for small contributions to the library. Our goal is to accelerate development and make IFC.js a sustainable project in the long run. This program is for both long-time and new members, pouring back into the community all the money the project is making. This is brilliant, Antonio. What are you doing? It's mind-blowing. Kudos to you, man. Kudos to you and to everyone supporting you and helping you. This is crazy. This is really well done. I'm really impressed. This is almost half of the money gathered from the IFC.js crash course. Can you imagine what huge impact is this going to have on this project? This is crazy. This is going to blow up this project. Because not only you are getting a lot of new IFC.js developers, you are also pouring in this money to get also extra help. This is really well done. Now let me just go further before I bore you to that. So here is how this works. We create a bounty. Bounties are small tasks that need to be carried out in the library. There are all kinds. Some are simple and you don't need to know how to program to help. Others are more complex and require prior knowledge. There is everything. Not all bounties require programming, so don't get scared by this. You don't need to be a programmer to contribute. That's even more amazing, right? The bounty is published after the bounty was created. We publish the bounty on the bounty page. There you will find the list with all the bounties available, the money offered for them, what other people are already doing, etc. Each bounty is associated with an issue on GitHub. The link is attached to each bounty card. Now, if I open this link right here, we will see this and we will have a look at this after that. Now, let's keep reading. The third step is someone takes the bounty. To start a new bounty, just comment on the GitHub issue saying that you are going to make it and when you are going to get it. The bounty page will be updated and it will appear in progress. No one else will be eligible for that bounty until you complete it or run out of time. 4. The bounty is completed. When that person manages to meet some of all the requirements or tasks, the bounty is complete. If only some have been met, the proportional part of the bounty will be paid. The IFC.js team will need to be notified if a partial bounty is resolved. The bounty is paid and filled. There will be a review process by the IFC.js team to check that everything is correct. If so, the bounty will be paid immediately, marked as completed and announced to the community. In case the bounty is partially completed, new bounties will be created to solve the remaining tasks. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? Contribute in multiple ways. Don't worry if you don't know. I think here it was supposed to be don't know. Don't worry if you don't know how to program or are just short on time. The IFC.js project is ambitious and will surely have something for you. Complete feature requests, squash bugs, and improve IFC.js performance with code. Management, help us organize the project, manage the community, automate processes, and more. Regarding documentations, participate in creation of tutorials, programming courses, and documentation. Create illustrations, design pages, and help us deliver the message of the project all around the world. And here you can subscribe if you want to learn more about these bounties. And this is how you do it. Just type in your email as I did right here and I will click on subscribe and I will get notified when that will happen. Now, if I go here, I think I will get redirected to the same page. Yes, here as well. Let's see what issues do we have here. And I want to sort it by bounty. So let's go from the simple one to the latest ones. What is this? BIM frontend stack course page. We are going to publish an advanced BIM development course specializing in TypeScript, frontend, and React. We need a page similar to the crash course to announce it. If you have never done a web page before, don't worry, because this is super easy and you don't need code for this. This page is made in the MailerLite web editor, which is a drag and drop web page builder that you can learn in 10 minutes and for which you don't need to know how to program. Similar look to the original crash course page using different clip art images. Starting material. Internal video tutorial where we explain the whole process step by step. Internal document with the specification of the page. Access to our account, to the MailerLite, our graphics, archive from which. Okay, so you have everything right here. Pretty simple. This should be available to almost everyone and looks like it is available. Let's look at the largest bounties here and see what is this about. Nice edges, nice ambient occlusion, integration with Elalish, 3JS to IFC simple export, I guess. Simple clash detection, $1,000. I'm really looking forward for this. It's going to be very, very interesting when we get this feature right here. I'm just telling you. I don't know what is this. Elalish manifold. I don't know and I don't understand. You need C++ for this. So yeah, for here as well, you need 3JS. Of course, these are more complex. And we can see here these tags, 3JS, IFC.js, 3JS, right? These are more complex. For these ones right here, you need JavaScript, here C++. But if we look at the ones that don't have even IFC.js, there are only these three ones. Nothing. IFC.js Patreon page. Yeah, so we have only these three, but that's not so difficult. And let's go back to the page and see how do we get bounty page. Just comment on the GitHub issue saying, okay, so they did not leave a link to the GitHub page, so I will just go to Google and type this GitHub IFC.js. Let's see now. Yes, I will go here, and if I go to projects, it's not here. Maybe here is not the crash course. Well, issues, no, maybe it's the IFC viewer. And if I go to issues, origin of IFC, I don't find it here. So let's see if I click from here. Do we have a link from this page maybe? No, it's not possible from here. So I'm a bit lost here. IFC.js, let me go back here. Maybe this one? Issues? No, it's not here. Examples. It should be here, I guess. Let me have a look on the Discord server and see if I managed to find it there. Unfortunately, I did not manage to find the link to these issues on GitHub, but be sure to make the description of this video because I will definitely find out from the IFC Discord server and I will put it in the description. So make sure to check it there. Or if you know well how to use GitHub, maybe you'll find it there. As you can see, there is something for anyone. So if you have some time, go on. You saw there are 3 issues that you don't need prior experience. You just watch a tutorial and you do the same. It's very simple. I used myself MailerLite before. It's very easy to do a page with it and it's going to be very straightforward. Just there to do that. You'll have a huge impact in this community for this project, and you will also earn some money, which depending where you are living, it could mean something significant or not. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.